Now let us go back, and the next point is image based object identification. So this is the key features in Katalon Studio that is most helpful in some cases where none of these locators are helpful in identifying the object. So then this feature is going to help you resolve the problem. Okay, now let us see that. So here you would have seen there are XPath properties, there are attributes. So for example, let us open the object which is recorded by object spy, or um, the by record feature. Okay, anywhere you can see there are multiple XPaths available. See, if one feature fails to identify the object, there is another feature which is going to help to identify that object. And also there is the CSS selector which is also helping to identify that particular object. But if none of these are effective in identifying an object, you can use this feature called image. Okay, so if you select this one and there is a folder, there is an option to browse for that image. Normally we can maintain the images in this screenshots folder. Here there are images. So this is the image for HRM login page. I'm closing this one. So you have to browse for that image. There you have to go to the folder which is screenshots. Under screenshots, targets, and that particular image which you wanted to choose as an identifier. So with the help of image, now Catalan is going to identify that object and then do the operations which is a part of any test step. All right, so that's all about identifying an object using image.